In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use session breaks on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning, adding session breaks to your chart can be incredibly helpful in highlighting different market hours and improving your trading strategy. Let's dive into how you can easily enable and customize these on TradingView. First, you'll want to open a chart. You can navigate to any chart on TradingView, as these settings will generally apply across all your active charts. With your chart open, the next step involves accessing the settings menu. Simply right-click anywhere on the chart background and you'll see a menu pop up. From there, select Settings to open the Chart Settings dialog box. Once you have the Settings menu open, direct your attention to the Appearance tab. This is where you will find various options to enhance the visual presentation of your chart. Scroll through until you see an option labeled Show Session Breaks. You'll want to check that box to enable session breaks on your chart. Enabling this feature will make session breaks visible, significantly enhancing your ability to track market activity across different periods. Perhaps you'd like to add a personal touch by adjusting the style of these session breaks. That's entirely possible. Head over to the Style tab within the settings. Here, you can change the color of the session break lines to best suit your preferences or to complement the rest of your chart setup. After customizing, don't forget to click OK to apply all the changes you've made. Now, if you'd like to take your session break customization further, you can delve into using a session indicator. To do this, you first need to open the Indicator menu. This can be accessed by clicking on the Indicators button located at the top toolbar of the TradingView page. Alternatively, if you prefer shortcuts, Ctrl+I on Windows or CMD+I on a Mac will take you directly there. In the Indicator search bar, type Session Break. You will find several options available, as these are scripts contributed by the TradingView community. Some popular choices include Session Breaks by Emily Watch and Trading Sessions by Mort Diggity. Click on the one you wish to explore further to add it to your chart. Once the indicator is applied, you have the opportunity to customize it even more. You can fine-tune the settings to adjust not just the color and style, but also specify which sessions you'd like to display. Additionally, you can configure settings to account for different time zones and daylight saving time, ensuring your chart reflects accurate session timings. And there you have it. You're all set to use session breaks in TradingView, carrying your charting experience to the next level. Remember, customizing your trading environment not only makes it more visually appealing, but can greatly benefit your trading activities.